Today we are making southern pork neck bones, sauteed asparagus, and jasmine rice. This dish is cost effective, flavorful, and great for large families. So let's get started. We're going to start in a large stock pot with a quarter cup of olive oil, pork neck bones, and our dry seasonings. Today we're using salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, dry thyme, garlic powder, and paprika. If you have fresh thyme and fresh garlic, this is best to use, but don't go out and run to the store. Just remember, black pepper and salt are the foundation to any great tasting dish in your kitchen. Next, I want you all to grab 2 small white onions. We're going to chop these up. A medium or small dice is fine. Chop up 1 large tomato and 1 large bell pepper. Today I am using frozen vegetables because during this time it is imperative to freeze your perishable items. We're being cost effective, we're saving money, y'all. Now we're going to brown these pork neck bones for 15 minutes on medium heat. We're caramelizing, we're browning, and we're building flavor. That is the foundation of cooking. You want to always season and build flavor at each step in the kitchen. Now we're going to add a little bit of acidity with our tomatoes, and we're going to add a little bit of sweetness with the onions. This is also going to pick up the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. If you have vegetable bouillon, chicken bouillon, or any type of beef stock, this is the time to add it now. Next, I want you all to grab a half a gallon of water. You don't have to fill the pot all the way up with water, but you want to add enough liquid to make sure these bones can cook on the stove on medium heat for 2 hours. Now cover your pot and let these bad boys cook. Next, it's time to saute our asparagus. We're going to start off with about a tablespoon of olive oil. I chopped up the asparagus, I added tomatoes and onions. And guess what? For more flavor, add a little bit of the jus, J-U-S, or some of the stock from the pork neck bones and add it directly to the pan. Not only is this going to create flavor, but people are going to say, man, how does this asparagus taste so great? And it takes about 6 to 8 minutes. And that's it. You have beautiful, fall off the bone pork neck bones. To thicken it, just add cornstarch and a water slurry. And you can see the recipe below. All right, you all, enjoy, be safe, and have fun. Thank you.